Hey guys, good RPM Diecast, and today we're doing the Ronin Run car culture set. This is the 5-car set that comes in the shipping container. Now this was from Redline Club, so I bought it when it was on sale. I paid $29 plus tax, Canadian, to get this, and then I got the Drag Strip Demons ones too, which will probably be next video, but really like this container. It's like a salmon-y pink, almost. So it's just the standard set that you get on a card. Nothing different, like like all of these sets that come in the containers. But yeah, really nice. So I can yank this out of here. That. So we have got the Pendum, I love this Pendum kit, it's so nice on that RX-7. The next is the Subaru. Let me just get this focused. Oh my gosh, it's focused on my eye. The Subaru Impreza 22B STI. I hope this is focused. Oh, it looks focused. I'm gonna go put these all on the spinner anyway, but I'm just showing you what comes in it. This is the Toyota Starlet. How wide that thing is. God damn. Then you've got the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. I'm ducking down so it'll focus on this and not my face. And then last but not least is this regular Mazda RX-7. Whoa, super zooming. I'm gonna go pop these on the spinner, get close-up shots of them, just so you can see more in depth on these castings, and then we will come back after. 5-car set, the container set from Red Light Club. Now, my favorite car of the set is the white RX-7 with the Pendum kit on it, just because love Pendum in the wide body kits and the RX-7s. But especially that Pendum kit makes it a little special because I still collect cars with wide body kits. That's how I got started in Hot Wheels. But yeah, also don't forget about the giveaway. I'm giving away this Mitsubishi Super T-Hunt as well as this R34 Skyline from 2016. Now, all you have to do is comment on the video I'm going to leave in the description, your favorite car, and just subscribe, and that is all you have to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some of our other videos and keep on collecting.